Hey, I'm Guido Gagootz, and you're watching How to Do Shit with Guido Gagootz. With me, I got my cheesemonger's daughter, Alessia D'Alessi, and we're gonna teach you how to put pineapple on pizza.
Wait, what?
What?
You put pineapple on pizza?
What's wrong with pineapple on pizza?
Gigi, ma che schifo, you can't put pineapple on pizza!
Why can't we put pineapple on pizza?
My family will disown me. Your audience will turn against you.
Well, I'll tell my audience when and where to turn. Stay right where the fuck you are.
I refuse to do it.
Why? Because they told you not to?
Who's they?
The pineapple propagandists. Alessia, there's a massive underground campaign painting pineapple as a public enemy to pizza. Why, you ask?
I didn't ask.
Then ask.
Why?
I have no idea.
Pineapple does not go on pizza. Pineapple pizza is not real pizza.
That's just pizza politics.
Pizza politics?
When a pizzeria is obsessed with proving its pizza is the purest form of pizza, that's a sign of a kitchen in decline.
Cosa stai dicendo? Non capisci che quello che stai dicendo non ha nessun senso!
Honey on pizza, figs on pizza, pears on pizza, but pineapple's a problem? All this outrage is nothing more than performative pineapple pizza panic.
I never thought about it like that, I guess.
Exactly. So the next time you put pineapple on your pizza, use promo code Gagootz2222 for 22% off your next pizza purchase.
Hold on. Sorry, is this sponsored content?
What? No, what are you, crazy?
Oh! Gigi, is this a pineapple brand deal?
He's on the pineapple payroll, you son of a bitch!
Deal, Gigi, what kind of Italian are you?
The American kind. Alessia, don't you see? Our newly acquired state of Venezuela has vast, untapped pineapple reserves. And we've taken over the means of pineapple production, and we need pineapple products to sell to the people.
You're in Big Pineapple's pocket.
And those pockets are deep.
Give me that pineapple!
Are you crazy? Whoa.
Get it!
She's brainwashed by the pineapple piss!
L'ananas non va sulla pizza!
You're bruising
Give
it!
me the pineapple!
You're bruising it!
Give it to Rudy! Come on!
Stop it!
Rudy, take it!